Q-PAC was founded in 2019 when we split off from our former parent company. We have a very innovative idea of using EC fans and using a kit-oriented way to assemble them. We can be used in new air handlers, and also we can be used in a retrofit opportunity to repair and replace a fan that's in the field.
As the company grew exponentially, we found ourselves using Excel way too much. The biggest challenge was accessing data or having a single source of truth for everybody at the company.
QuickBooks' inventory system and a lack of a third-party manufacturing system really kept that information in the dark. The lack of a recipe, a lack of a bill of materials, lack of a way to measure productivity of our people.
Especially after COVID, the supply chain disruptions were everywhere, and keeping track of the reorder points, safety stocks, there was none of that prior to Acumatica.
The thing that I like the most about Acumatica is how highly customizable it is for our needs. We have created custom views for every single work cell that we have in production so that they know exactly what's coming down the line.
In less than 5 minutes, all components that are purchased, I am able to see the trends for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days. And using those averages, I'm able to forecast future purchase orders.
The operational work that has been put in by other folks throughout the company around dashboards, scorecards, and different reporting has allowed us to operate day to day with certainty, clarity, and we review operational data daily.
ITeg does a wonderful job of supporting us, offering proactive ideas on how to take more advantage of Acumatica's tools and the other third parties that support it.
We knew that the Acumatica Manufacturing Edition would be a great fit for Q-PAC. One, because its open architecture would allow for integrations with other software. Secondly, Acumatica's consumption-based pricing, which allowed for unlimited users, was a much more budget-friendly option for them than other ERP systems that had pay per user.
We've been growing exponentially in the last few months, and it doesn't matter what our sales volume is, we are able to track everything.
The biggest value that we get is just understanding our costs, being able to forecast, the automation for ordering parts and things like that, which all were manual efforts before. Pick up the phone, call somebody, send a PO. We've eliminated them.
I can close the books in a day. I think that's world class in terms of getting information in front of our leaders so they can make better decisions.
The sky is the limit for Q-PAC on Acumatica. If in the future Q-PAC's business should change, Acumatica can always be reconfigured to make sure that they are getting their business requirements taken care of.
We get the best of both worlds. We have a fully customized approach towards our customer, but yet come back to a chassis that will run the nuts and bolts of the business.
We have yet to even scratch the surface of the capabilities Acumatica offers for integration. So there's more to come.